In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Discord at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Discord application and then hit at this menu icon, and right here in that menu select direct messages, and in that list you can simply switch between them. And now, in order to delete all messages from some DM, all you have to do is actually to delete the whole conversation from here, and in order to do that, just hold down on that conversation name, and when it comes up there, select Close DM. And now, as you can see, I have just removed that conversation from my DMs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.